Well, hello and welcome to our new home in South Melbourne. This is the front door. This is the view of the entranceway, and this is the amazing cupboard for putting your shoes and coats in that took 1,000 years basically to get built. It actually, this thing here held up us moving in until the 10th of August.
Yeah, it was a month delay because of that.
And this is the corridor. This is the lovely corridor of our new place. And for you technical nerds, this is the NBN cupboard, as they call it in Australia. But effectively that's where your Wi-Fi comes in and all your internet connections to the rooms in the house. And here is our lovely walk-in wardrobe and bathroom.
Bathroom. David has his own sink.
We have bathroom mirrors that open up. We have a toilet. We have a shower that you can go in.
And have a shower.
You could have a shower in there.
Oh, look at that.
And there's some cupboards under here, but they're very funny little cupboards because they have space for the pipes. And this is a walk-in wardrobe. Here is all of the different closets for putting up stuff. And there's drawers and more storage in there. And there's more storage in here. You can put your shoes in there. Put your stuff. This is our tiny master bedroom, but it's big enough to be able to put our bed in, and you know, it's a bedroom, that's all you need. Plus, we'll be able to put a whopping great big TV screen up on here. And then when we get up in the morning, we can go, hello neighbours, working in the office building across the street.
We are going to have blinds. Oh, they did fix that down there too, because that was all dented.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, I'm not I still don't know how to open the door. There you go. Ooh, that was very...
This is the balcony where Julia is going to grow plants on the wall. And we'll have some chairs out here. And Julia will have a big old orange tree. And that's our view on this very, very rainy Melbourne day.
I think we need to go back in through the bedroom because we can also come out to the balcony from the living room too.
Come in. Don't stand out in the rain. Hang on.
There you go.
That's locked now.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Let me show you the walk-in wardrobe. I mean, you know, we are trying to downsize here.
Yeah.
And we did downsize. This is smaller than...
But it feels huge compared to where we've been living for the last 6 months.
Welcome to my new office.
Yay!
Where my computer will be in here, stored here, and maybe my piano will be in here.
And there's your view.
There's a beautiful view. And down here is the garden that they created for the place. And you can't see today because it's raining, but you can actually see the bay there when it's not raining. And there's cupboards, look, more cupboards to put things in.
Wow.
Stuff, the things that you need to put.
This is the first time we've been here by ourselves.
It is,
just you
we
and
have
I.
the keys now.
Wow.
This is Julia's new office.
This is my office and our guest room as well. And there's a whole array of closets all the way down.
There's so many closets in here. There's more closets.
This is also our guest bedroom.
Oh yeah, guest bedroom. But Julia's going to have her couch here, which will be a pull-out sofa bed. But then she'll have a workbench over here and her little computer desk over here. She will be so happy, won't you, darling?
Yeah, I'm already happy. Then, moving along here, we have our guest bathroom, which is also another great bathroom.
Another set of drawers.
Another toilet.
Toilet paper that they gave us.
Yeah.
And then for the guests, they can put their stuff in there. And they can go in here and have a shower. Yes, there are no baths in this apartment. There are no baths. But that's okay because we're getting so old. We won't be able to get in and out of baths soon.
This is where we have our
laundry
area. And that's where our washer dryer will be.
Which we now know will fit in there because this falls out of the way. But anyway, that's the washer dryer. And then here...
more cupboard, pantry for the kitchen.
And here's more pantry and more drawers.
Oh.
And this is where our coffee machine will go.
This is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
I don't like leaving that up there because I'm worried it might come off and just go. I would just put it there.
This is a Gagano appliance.
Whatever that is.
I don't even know what that is, but apparently it's very good.
And that's the oven.
And that's a Gagano oven.
And that's where the microwave will go.
This oven senses when you walk in front of it and turns itself on.
And that's where the fridge is.
This is the refrigerator. Is it clicking on the thing anymore?
No.
No. Oh, look, we've got cheese and wine. Yeah. This is a Fisher Paykel. I don't know what that means, but it's one of those.
This is our manual for our house that tells us
there are more drawers, and there's more pantry space, and there's more cupboards here. Oh, this is one of those push open cupboards.
And then the grand finale is our living room.
Which is very echoey at the moment because there's nothing in it. But look, we even have our own little bar. Not that we drink anymore, but we can have a bar here. And it's got more drawers. And more cupboards.
Wow, nice. You can put tchotchkes up on there.
You can put tchotchkes. And this is the view from the living room. You see the city. That's over there is actually the Dockland. No, South Bank.
And this is the other way to get out to our balcony.
Somehow,
you turn it the opposite way that you'd think. And then we can come out here again. And then this is our bedroom again.
So welcome to 401 92 York Street, our new home. Yay!